Now, welcome. We are going to talk about how to open our codes. That is how to link it with browser. Or when you write a code, you need to link it with a browser. So what you need to do, come to your code here, first code, your code, right click, then you see open in default browser, open in other browser. It is when you have already installed the extension, that is when it is going to display open in this default browser, open in other browsers. On your own, it is not going to display, but because you have not installed the extension, then how are you going to install the extension? Follow me. Come to view, extensions. So here now, you are now going to type open in browser. Now I need to on my what? On my data, connect. Let us see what is happening. They are connected, secure. Yes. Then you type browser. You see, it's going to display a lot for you, a lot of extensions that you can choose. But I recommend, I recommend, I recommend Teka. I recommend Teka. So that is what the one I am using. So I recommend that for you, and it is very effective. You click on it. Yeah, you are seeing disable and uninstall because I have already installed it. That's why it is displaying disable and uninstall. But on your own, you are going to see install. Then you need to click on install. You need to click what? You click on uninstall. Then you install it. After installing it, then it's going to display disable and uninstall. That is all. You are good to go. Then how can we now? Let us go back. Coming. I'm coming. Let me switch off my let me disconnect my distance. I'm no more listening. I'm coming. Then what will now happen? Do what? We do what? Then how are you going to view it? Then you come to right click. Then after installing the extension, then you can now see open in the first browser or open in another browser. You can use, or maybe you have already set a default browser before, then you open inside the browser. Then if to say open in another browser, then you can now let's just open in another browser because I've not used let's just open in another browser. Mozilla, Micro, Micro Edge, Opera. Let me choose Opera this time around because I've not used Opera before. So it's loading. It is loading. It is loading. Allow it to load. Let it load. Allow it to load. Allow it to load. So can you see now? Can you see the first code? All this is just diagram you. Let me close it. I don't send him, but I don't send the system. So you can see now because nothing on our code. So that is why it's not displaying. It's only display code element. So when we put something on our code now, like this, uh, let's put something on our code. Mhm. HTML. Can you see? Then whenever you want to save, you do what? You come to your file, you save, or you press Control what? Control X, Control S, Control S, Control what? Control S. Save. Then whenever you want to like this open with default browser or open with other browser. So I have a default browser before. Then what you need to do, just press Alt B. Then it will take you to Alt B. That's it, alternate. alternative or alter. Alt D, press it, it will display in your browser. Come. Can you see? My default browser is what? Chrome. That is why it is displaying this. So that is for that. So we meet in our next class.